Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Endgame 2.0, which launches on the 2nd of April at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this fully updated version of the original Endgame, which was launched by James Fawcett and Mark Barrett. And it is a completely updated, it's not just a rehash with a few extra videos added, it's a root and branch update of the original Endgame, which shows exactly which strategies are working for James and Mark right now in 2023, April 2023, that I'm recording this. It's a method that they've been profiting with for the last 12 months and that's making them $2,000 plus daily. Now, they've refined their methods. I know that from personal experience because I'm a member of James and Mark's upgraded high ticket program, Breakout Mastery Academy. I'm a high ticket member of theirs, so I know that their the changes that they've made to Endgame reflect the changes that have happened in the industry over the last 2 years. So the strategy that they are using now is vastly different to how they were running their affiliate marketing business 2 years ago and even 1 year ago. So it is well worth picking this up, folks, to get an update on the best ways to achieve these sorts of figures today, because the sort of work and the sort of steps that you need to take to make $2,000 a day online as an affiliate now are very different to what they were a couple of years ago. I'm having to use different strategies, things that I could have done 2 years ago that I know would have produced X number of sales for me and no longer delivering those same results. So that's reflected in Endgame 2.0. So I strongly recommend that you pick this up. I've had a look at it, it's very good. And that's why even on a Sunday I'm taking the unusual step of making a review video to promote this, because I think that it's something that everyone in my Elite Tigers group should definitely pick up and should definitely have. So if that sounds like it's you, and as I said, I do strongly advise people to pick this up, then you can get it by clicking on the link underneath this video, and that will bring you through to this bonus page, because I've got a big bundle of custom bonuses that I've put together to go with this, which you can get by clicking on any of these green buttons any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire, and I don't want you to miss them because they are an exclusive bundle that you can only get from me. Now, let's have a quick look at the sales page, folks. I'll go through those bonuses in just a minute, but Endgame 2.0, as you can see, is completely new and improved. The secret proven method that James and Mark have been using for the last 12 months to make $2,000 a day. It's a set and forget system. There's no tech skills needed. Now there is this free gift for the first 100 buyers. Now they're going to get well more than 100 buyers of this product, so you do want to act fast to get this. This is instant access to 7-figure cash magnets plus a masterclass training worth $1,997. So do make sure that you pick this up quick, folks. I know not everyone pays attention on a Sunday, but for those that do, you are going to really benefit by getting this extra. Now, the fastest results you've ever seen, virtually unknown, brand new method with full training, works for both newbies and experienced marketers, multiple commission streams from done for you money pages, set and forget, autopilot commission generating system, working flawlessly in 2023 and beyond. As I said, it's been fully updated to reflect current market conditions. Experience freedom, all it takes is 20 minutes to get Endgame 2.0 up and running. So it's not a 2-second system, he's not pretending it's that. Get results or we'll give you every penny back with a smile. What could be fairer than that? We'll also have a look inside the members area. There is the members area of Endgame 2.0. and we'll have a look at the pricing. Now the front end is $17, folks. I can tell you that if you're on the sales page and you do move your cursor up as if you're going to leave the page, you will get a drop down coupon that comes down. Now it will only happen once, so that will take the price down to $12.95. So you do need to act on that. If that coupon comes down, click on it, because it will only do it the first time that you move your cursor as if you're going to leave the page. Alright, so we'll come back to the sales page in a minute. Let's first deal with these bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording will be in here. What's Endgame 2.0 all about? As I said, it's a virtually unknown brand new method with full step-by-step training. It's the last method that you'll ever need. Now that's a pretty bold claim, but in terms of a method that's working right now, this is it. So why would you want to change it if it works? Access the exact method where James got the fastest results he's ever seen. Rinse and repeat on demand. Set and forget autopilot commission system, and a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't see results. These are the bonuses that I'm throwing in. Firstly, affiliate takeoff. Now this is actually a product that's made by one of my own students, Cynthia Benitez, and this shows how that she presented a system to her mum, who was 69 at the time. She's a little bit older now. She'd never done any stuff making money online, any business online before, and she was able to make commissions right from the word go. Next, the Tiger Report. This is my own assessment, released towards the end of last year, of the changes that have taken place in the industry and how you can respond to them. The good thing about this, folks, is that it comes with private label rights, so you can actually rebrand this as your own and use it either to sell to other people, rename it and sell it to other people, or you can, give it away as a powerful lead magnet. Crazy Coupon Cash, showing you how with just a little tweak and using the power of discount coupons, how you can massively change your affiliate marketing results. Exiters, now this is one of a series of products from James and Mark, previous releases of theirs that aren't included in their own bonus bundle that they've given me permission to give to you. So these are all high level advanced marketing strategies. So this is the first of them, and this is the second, Infusion 2.0. List Your Links is a product that will show you how you can build your email list. Method X, this is the second, or the third rather, of the set of former products of James and Mark that again I've got permission to give to you. Octagon is a product from John O. Armstrong, allowing you to clone his top promos. Rhino Results 2.0, this is a product that will improve your affiliate score and rapidly get you a good affiliate score on Warrior Plus. People are being a lot more cautious now because of the market conditions about who they approve to promote their products, and you will find that a lot of vendors that maybe would have previously taken a punt on newbies won't do that anymore because there's too much risk involved. So only people with a proven affiliate score on Warrior Plus are likely to see their requests to promote approved. This will show you how you can very easily and quickly build up a good score, or if you happen to have fallen into the red with a red score on Warrior Plus, it will show you how you can rectify that. The Super Shakedown, this is the inside secrets of super affiliates, and of course you will get the vendor bonuses that Mark and James are giving away as well, which we'll come on to in just a moment. So back to the sales page, and I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Do have a look through. One thing about James and Mark, as you'll see in the sales video, they always show you loads of proof of what they've achieved. And they genuinely have achieved it using the methods that are in Endgame 2.0. It's not like a sort of screenshot of stuff that they've achieved from using different alternative methods. So do have a look through this. All I'm scrolling down here for really is to get you the bonuses that James and Mark are giving away, which are coming up in just a moment. So just bear with me. Here we go. So Profit Pad, which is their social media software. Get this super traffic software at zero cost, obviously. Breakout Reloaded and Phoenix Reloaded reseller rights to these two products. So you'll get these products and reseller rights to sell them. 70k in 30 days blueprint and Endgame 2.0 funnel. And as I said, 30-day money back guarantee. So now let's have a quick look in the members area. So what you've got is that you've got obviously a welcome video. There's a free case study. And you'll see the full Endgame case study here, which is the first thing that you should watch. It'll show you exactly some of the results that James himself has achieved with this method. And then we'll get into the list building part of Endgame with email marketing, and this will teach you exactly how to set up your Endgame 2.0 profit system with the overview and then all the elements that are involved with that. And then we get on to the social media aspect. So this first bit obviously is geared to email marketing and then to social media marketing. And then it will show you how you can leverage what you've learned inside Endgame 2.0 to then transform that into high ticket sales and to get a high ticket sales boost. And then your bonuses for Endgame, you will find them by clicking on this button here. As I said, these are all the bonuses that are included with that. And if you missed any of the upgrades, we'll go through those in a minute. You can pick them up again here. Now, I do recommend that you pick up as much of this funnel as you can, because it's a really congruent funnel that James and Mark have worked a lot on. Now, a lot of funnels that have come out recently with products, it almost looks like they've been put together almost as an afterthought, and nothing really necessarily connects with the main product that you're buying. It's just like different bits and pieces. I've even done that myself to a degree sometimes. You know, some of the bits of my funnel aren't 100% linked to the front end, if you know what I mean, but all of this is really congruent, as you'll see as we go through it. So the first upgrade for $37 is 10x Profit Automators. Now, getting this to work around the clock on complete autopilot, reliably and consistently, takes an army of profit-producing secret weapons that we use constantly to help unlock real profits. This is a secret list of swipe assets that turns any click into a buyer with surprising consistency. It's a major part of our success. So that is the first upgrade. Upgrade 2 is a done-for-you package. This is $197. But for those of you that are a little bit less techy or that want everything just done for you, this is going to be the fastest and easiest way to success with Endgame 2.0. It combines every single asset that James and Mark use every day into a slick 2-click package that produces affiliate commissions hand over fist, 24 hours a day, around the clock. This can be set up and ready to go in just minutes. Next, the Inner Circle, $97. Everything you need to maximize profits inside Mark and James's Facebook community. Upgrade number 4, 10x Profit Box 2.0. This entails everything you need to maximize profit. This will allow you to leverage any affiliate or product offer and increase your profits by 10. That one was 47. Unlimited traffic is $197. This is the OTO5. We've gone one better with providing anyone multiple and unique methods in tapping into our traffic sources. And upgrade number 6 is a reseller bundle, which will give you access not just to 2.0 Endgame, but also a lot of James and Mark's previous products that you can sell and get 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel. That is $197. So a lot of highly congruent stuff there, and as I said, I do recommend that you pick up as much of that funnel as you can afford to, because it's a really good one. So that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick this up and get all of my bonuses on top of James and Mark's bonuses, all you have to do is to click any of these green buttons here. That will take you back to the sales page, and just click here to get started on any of these yellow buttons, and then that will bring you back to your receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access to access your product, your copy of Endgame 2.0, and then you click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. So that's pretty much it, folks. This is a high quality product. It's really a sort of mid-ticket product, I would say, for a low ticket price. James and Mark could quite easily charge 97 or 197 for this product, and that wouldn't be out of place for what you're getting with. I've certainly seen products in that price bracket that deliver way less information than you're getting off Endgame for just $17. So it is a very, very high value product for what you're paying for it. It's very, very worth the money. So I'm going to give this a 5-star rating on my Elite Tigers Group rating. And with that said, all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching this review. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath, and also click on the bell icon so that you get informed every time I bring out new content. And until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Endgame 2.0.